Good noon, everyone. So after I have done paying my RC, I noticed in this area my bonsai is already damaged by the dog. So I bring it here and shade area to check for the damage. Then it's happened. This one here, it's cut, and the other one here. So this is the and the other one. To put the camera so that you will know what happened to my bonsai. So I need to or change the form of this bonsai. So you have a very old trunk or branch already that is damaged. So this one is here because the front of this bonsai is over here. That is the front. Then the back side damage and this other side here. So it's almost beautiful already, but since this is damage and have also, so I try to plant this branches. Hopefully it will survive. Then the almost done. What I do to this one is I will choose this one here to make it the front. Then I will twist this one a little like that so that the curve of the trunk will be visible. So if there's a chance that they will grow branch here, then I make it big, then I will go back to this side will be the front. But for now I will turn this one here like that so that this area can be seen. So I get the wire and change new form for this one. So I already take off the all of the wire. So time to rewire again and twist. Need to use a bigger wire on my recycle. So I'm done trimming. Then I think it's a little slanting, so I just put a soil under. Got some little problem, so we need to There are plenty of roots already. That's why I decided to reduce the root. So I'm done taking up some root. Then I just hope that the one that is break or broke in this brand or this bonsai materials will be survive. I will plant this one. So just sharing the life of making bonsai. Sometimes it will not succeed or it will damage by an animal. So once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning. I hope you. Bye bye.